Once again, welcome children. Our today's topic is capacity, and here I am going to explain subtraction of liter and milliliter. Let's start. Look here children, your first question is how much more Sprite does the big bottle hold? So this one is your big bottle and the capacity of big bottle is 600 milliliter. This one is a small bottle and the capacity of a small bottle is 200 milliliter. नाउ व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि आपको फाइंड करना है कि बिग बोतल का जो कैपेसिटी है वो छोटे बोतल के कैपेसिटी से कितना ज़्यादा है. ओके, सो इट मीन्स यू हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो हियर यू कैन सी मिलीलीटर इज रिटन, हियर अगेन मिलीलीटर इज रिटन, unit is same. So first step is to write the unit. Here I have written milliliter. Next step, write the bigger unit at the top. So I have written 600 over here and then 200 over here. So 200 subtracted from 600, we are getting 400 as the answer. Okay, now the big bottle holds 400 milliliter more Sprite than the small bottle. Moving to the next page. Look here children, your question is how much more water does the big water tank hold? So this one is your big water tank and the capacity of big water tank is 2220 liter. Capacity of small water tank is 2000 liter. So children, first step is to write the unit. You can see here liter is written, here again liter is written. So I have written liter at the top and after that I have written the bigger capacity, that is 2220, and here I have written 2000 smaller capacity. So after subtracting 2000 from 2220, we are getting 220 liter as the answer. Thus the bigger water tank holds 220 liter more water than the smaller water tank. Moving to the next page. Look here children, your question is how much more Sprite drink does the big bottle hold? So this one is the big bottle and the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter, and this one is a small bottle. The capacity of this bottle is 600 milliliter. So first step, we will check the unit. Here you can see liter is written, here milliliter is written. So what we will do, we will convert liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. So here we will write milliliter and after that we will write 1000 and then we will write 600. So after subtracting 600 from 1000, we are getting 400. So the big bottle holds 400 milliliter more Sprite than the small bottle. Moving to the next page. Look here children, your question is subtract 28 liter 150 milliliter from 29 liter 155 milliliter. So you can see here this one 29 liter 155 milliliter, this one is the bigger capacity, means this one is minimum. You will write this capacity at the top. Okay, and how you will do subtraction, first you will write the units. Children, look here liter and here milliliter, we have two units here, and again here in minuend we have 2 units, in subtrahend again we have 2 units. Okay, so your first step is to write the units. So liter and milliliter I have written, and you can see here because this is minuend, this one is the bigger capacity. So before liter we have 29, so I have written 29 under liter column, and before milliliter we have 155, so I have written 155 under milliliter column. Now look here children, here we have 28 before liter, so I have written 28 under liter column below 29, and 150 before milliliter, so I have written 150 under milliliter column below 155. Okay, now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 2 0. So you can see here 1 is under liter column and 5 is under milliliter column. So our answer is 1 liter 5 milliliter. Moving to the next page. So here our question is subtract 28 liter 10 milliliter from 29 liter 325 milliliter. So children, here 29 liter 325 milliliter is your minimum, because this one is the bigger capacity. So your first step is to write liter and milliliter. After that you have to arrange the capacities. You will write the bigger capacity at the top, and then you will write 28 liter, then 10 milliliter. So children, look here, we have 2 digits before milliliter, and here I have written 0. Okay, so now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 2 minus 2 equals 0. So you can see here 1 is under liter column and 315 under milliliter column. So our difference is 1 liter 315